Welcome. If you want more control over your privacy on Snapchat, especially when it comes to microphone access, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to set Snapchat, so it asks for permission every time before using your microphone. This is a great option if you don't want the app accessing your mic automatically in the background. It only takes a minute to set up, so let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is where all your device permissions are managed. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps or App Management depending on your device. This section shows all the apps installed on your phone. Now, look for Snapchat in the list and tap on it. This will open the app's settings where you can control what it has access to. Once you're inside the Snapchat settings, tap on Permissions. Here you'll see everything Snapchat can access, like your camera, location, and microphone. Find Microphone in the list and tap on it. You'll now see different permission options. To make Snapchat ask every time before using your microphone, select Ask Every Time.